Hi friends, welcome to my channel Disha Talk. I hope you're enjoying my videos. I know, as I told you in my previous video, I'm not uploading a lot, but whenever I get time, I do upload something. And this week, I'm at home, it's weekend, and I have something to talk to you about the holy basil, which we generally call it in English language, and in India we call it tulsi. Something about the tulsi plant, the holy plant, which is holy and also it has lots of medicinal properties. The seeds of this plant are available right above the leaves. So when you find the dry brown seeds, you just pick them and you can plant it in the soil and you will get this beautiful plant which is holy and it's also medicinal. So the main point what I'm trying to tell you is the reason why our ancestors believe that tulsi is holy is because they never wanted it to get extinct from this planet Earth. And from 4 to 5,000 years or more than that, in Hinduism we believe that tulsi is a really important plant because of its medicinal benefits, and that is the major reason why we use it even in our prayers. We offer it in our the food which we offer to God, and then we consume it. The only reason is because it has lot of health benefits. Now let me tell you what health benefits I have heard from my grandparents and from my parents about this particular plant and how do I use it in my daily life. And in my following videos I will also show you some recipe in which we use this, which is actually it's a home remedy for common cold. So let me tell you some good benefits about this plant. We generally make a tea from it, which is very good for common cold. And sometimes during winters, especially when it's really cold, I have a problem where I get a stuffy nose and I can't breathe. And when we have common cold at home, when we have sore throat, in India my grandparents and my parents used to say, make kada. Now what is kada? Kada is something where we put some seeds which we also use in our seasoning, and with that one main important ingredient which we add is tulsi leaves. We take 5 to 6 tulsi leaves and we wash it and we use it in tea. You must never boil the tulsi leaves a little extra. What you must do is, whenever you use it in tea, boil the water, put the tulsi leaves and let it boil for just a minute or two and turn it off and let it stay in the water for 10-15 minutes. Now this particular thing, it extracts all the juices from the tulsi leaf, and when it goes into your system, it helps you in digestion, it helps you in common cold, it helps you in sore throat, it also helps to reduce fever if you have fever because of common cold. Also, when you extract the juice from the tulsi leaf and when you apply it on your skin, it helps in acne. And when you extract the juice from tulsi leaf, mix it with camphor and apply it in your chest, that also helps you kind of relief from cold. And the main thing is, there is no chemical in it, it is natural, it is healthy, it won't do anything. So that way tulsi is very, very helpful. And also it is believed that when a tulsi plant is placed outside the house, it does not allow insects to enter your house. So that's why mostly in India, it's very common tradition that right outside the house we have a tulsi pot and we plant it right outside, and we also use it in our prayers. Like there are some particular fastings which we follow, and during the fasting, when we offer something to God, we put a few tulsi leaves. Now, as I already told you, all this was followed just because the leaves have a lot of medicinal properties. When you chew a few leaves every single day, that itself helps a lot. You would have noticed in my other videos too, which I generally post in my kitchen channel, Dee's Kitchen, you would have always noticed this particular plant is there right beside me in the kitchen. Generally, in all Indian homes, we always keep a tulsi plant, especially outside our homes we generally have it, but where I live right now, this particular place is a really small place and I don't have any veranda like section where I can keep it, but mostly all the Indians, we keep this plant at home. So today I wanted to talk to you about tulsi, a plant which is compulsory in every Indian home, and it is also valued by many cultures around the world. Also, it is valued a lot for its Ayurvedic benefits. So in Indian Ayurvedic medicines, tulsi is one of the main leaves which is used. A plant which also helps in digestive problems, respiratory problems, cold and flu, acne, skin problems. Basically a miraculous plant, right? So my dear friends, I hope that you will definitely look for the seeds of this particular plant and plant it in your veranda or in your small little garden or in your balcony, and try the leaves of this particular plant for tea, and let me know in my comment section that what you think about it. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching my video today, and please subscribe to my channel, follow my videos, and share it with your friends and family, and keep supporting me. Thank you.